Hey, this is Doc Eric. Welcome to my YouTube neighborhood, the channel where we give you one mindset tip and one body set tip to take with you not only throughout today's video, but also later in life as well. Today I want to talk about how can you build indulgence into your food plan moving forward. So let's jump in. Are you somebody who likes a lot of play and flexibility when it comes to their eating? I know that I do. We all know that being too rigid for too long and measuring can be stressful, and that counting calories can be painful and can lead to a moment down the road where you have that fall off the wagon moment where you feel like you've basically eaten the entire fridge and then you feel like crap about it. So what we're talking about today is learning to avoid that scarcity and that deprivation mindset. So the big question that I have to you is the current type of way you're eating, is it sustainable and is it livable long term? Not just for the next month, not just for the next 2 months, but long term, like years. And if it's not, then that's something that we want to talk about. First of all, let's talk about what your go-to is. Is it a bowl of ice cream? Is it some sort of brownie or maybe a nice homemade cookie? Is it a candy bar that you get out of the store? Is it an adult beverage? Whatever it is that you love, why don't you build that into your food plan, right? It's very, very easy to do. What you want to do when you build this sweet treat into your profile, what you want to do is you want to really sit down, you want to be with it, you want to enjoy it. If it's a drink, you want to drink it nice and slow. You want to take the time to prepare it. You want to, maybe chill that glass. If it's an adult beverage, really take the time to enjoy the process of making the drink. If it's something that you're ordering out, then take the time to really kind of sip at it, smell it, really kind of let the sensation of the drink kind of be part of the experience, not just kind of guzzle it down. Same thing with your sweet treat, whatever it is, whether it's something that you bite or whether it's something that you're using with a utensil, make sure that you're taking small, meaningful bites. Don't forget to chew it thoroughly and really be present with what it is that you're eating, right? And make sure that the portion size is manageable as well. So the reason why we want to do it this way is by building it into your routine, you're not depriving yourself in any way, right? We're not asking you to eat the entire pie, but you can have a nice portion slice of that pie, right? So as opposed to going for like a 30-day, no sugar, no this, no stimulants, no nothing, and then all of a sudden after that 30-day, on that 31st day, you reward yourself by eating, something that you normally would have had small amounts of. You're more likely to overindulge in that item, and then you're going to feel like crap. You're going to feel like you have tarnished some of the results that you've worked so hard to get, when in reality, the easiest way to do it is to give you those small little sweet treats along the way, as opposed to nothing, 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 binge, nothing, 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 binge. What that does is that sets you up for psychological warfare with your body with that binge and that purge mentality. So my recommendation for you is whatever your sweet treat is, pick a certain day of the week that you have the most control over, where you're not going to feel rushed, you're going to feel present with whatever it is that you're eating, and really take the time to enjoy that sweet treat. And I promise you, you're going to find that you're going to be less likely to indulge more frequently, and you're also going to find that you're going to be more consistent with your health and fitness goals. Okay, so those are the tips we have for you today. Don't forget to share in the comment section down below. Let me know what are some strategies that you're doing to help curb your own sweet treat addictions, right? We want to talk about indulgence, but we also want to talk about, avoiding that scarcity and that deprivation mindset. So go ahead and let me know what you have found that works well for you. And as always, don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe. We love getting new visitors to our YouTube channel. It helps me help you guys generate this kind of content. I love shooting the videos, and I know that you guys enjoy watching it as well. And until next time, stay healthy.